Welcome to the Dave and Wayne Show. I'm Dr. David Berg, president and founder of Redirect Health.
And I'm Dr. Wayne Bennett, doctor of chiropractic, practicing in the state of Arizona for about 30 years. Dave and I decided to create this set of videos to assist doctors of chiropractic in understanding and getting involved and engaging in being a chiropractic provider since the passage of Senate Bill 1077. Does that say it about right, Dave?
Yeah, I see this as one of the biggest opportunities for chiropractic since I've been here, since moving here from Canada in 1995. So this is a big deal. We got to get this one right.
Yes, we really do, and appreciate you being here and helping us with this.
Oh, my pleasure.
We understand that the process of deciding, number one, whether you're going to be involved in access as provider or not is critical. And number two, should you decide to participate, there are specific steps, specific things to understand that are involved in engaging and becoming a provider and starting to take care of these over 2.5 million patients in Arizona that are going to, many of whom are going to want chiropractic care. So Dave and I are going to work together to see if we can help you out with that. Right, Dave?
That's what we're here for.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you'll join us on our next video as well.